Welcome. This is a 10-minute morning yoga full body stretch to help get the day started to truly feel your best, mentally and physically. Let's begin laying. Hugging knees to chest. Plant the left foot and place the right ankle over the left thigh. Resting here, or hug the knees towards the chest for supine pigeon pose. Option to rock side to side. Drawing the breath into the belly, feeling the lower back expanding on the mat with each in-breath. We'll release. Take a moment hugging the right knee towards the chest. When you're ready, go ahead and straighten that left leg, allowing the right knee to splay open, or grab the outer edge of the right foot, drawing the right knee towards the mat for half happy baby pose. Release. Switching sides. Plant the right foot, left ankle to the right thigh. Rest here or hug the knees towards the chest. Once again, drawing the breath into the belly, connecting the lower back deeper into the mat with each in-breath. Release. Straighten the right leg, allowing the left knee to splay open or come right into your half happy baby pose. Release. Plant the feet, allowing the knees to fall open, bottoms of feet to touch for a supine butterfly pose. Softening the upper back and shoulders with each exhale. Drawing the breath into the belly. softening the mid-back and the lower back with each out-breath. No clenching in the feet or the toes, allowing the knees to be really heavy here. On your inhale, release, hugging the knees towards the chest. Begin rocking forward and back, gently making your way to seated. Take your time here, and if this does feel too intense, feel free just to come to seated. And from seated, we'll come to tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Tucking the toes, we'll drop the belly, gazing up on an inhale for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement. Untuck the right toes, straightening the left leg, tucking the left toes and pressing into that heel. Release, straightening the right leg, tucking the toes, once again pressing into the right heel. Release, cross the ankles and coming to your seat. We'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, plant the left hand beside you, right on the mat. Right hand reaches up and over. Inhale, hands back up overhead. Exhale, side stretch to the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, twisting towards the left, right hand on the left knee, left hand just behind you, gazing over that left shoulder. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, twisting towards the right. Sitting tall with your inhales. We'll come back to center. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, release the hands to your sides. One more time, inhale, big breath, reaching nice and tall. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.